In a significant milestone, the most advanced INS Vindhyagiri has been launched. This gives a momentous boost to the Indian Navy. INS Vindhyagiri is an advanced stealth frigate or warship. President Draupadi Murmu inaugurated the INS Vindhyagiri. Named after the mountain range in Karnataka, it is the sixth ship of the Project 17A frigates. The first 5 ships of the project were launched between 2019 and 2022. Now, this state-of-the-art ship is equipped with the latest gadgets. It is technologically advanced and pays a befitting tribute to the distinguished service of its predecessor, the erstwhile INS Vindhyagiri. The old Vindhyagiri, in its nearly 31 years of service from 1981 to 2012, had witnessed various challenging operations. It had caught fire in 2011 after colliding with a German merchant vessel. It sank in the Mumbai Naval Dockyard. It was refloated and restored and finally decommissioned in 2012. 11 years later, Indian Navy has decided to launch it in its new avatar. A frigate is generally lighter than a destroyer. Frigates are one of the most common type of ship used in most navies. A frigate is a full-rigged ship built for speed and maneuverability, intended to be used in scouting, escort and patrol roles. Now, these type of ships are also rigged to deal with submarines. The INS Vindhyagiri is equipped with improved stealth features, advanced weapons and sensors, as well as platform management systems. The launch ceremony took place along the banks of River Hooghly in Kolkata. Notably, Vindhyagiri represents the third and final stealth frigate crafted by the Kolkata-based warship manufacturer as part of this project.
Project 17A of this, which Vindhyagiri is a part, reflects our commitment to self-reliance and technological advancement. This project demonstrates indigenous innovation for developing state-of-the-art technology. I have been informed that the multi-mission frigates of this series would be capable of dealing with all kinds of threats to our maritime interest.
It is noteworthy that a substantial 75% of the equipment and systems employed for Project 17A ships are sourced from indigenous entities. It includes micro, small and medium enterprises. With this, the ministry aligned the Project 17A ships with the country's resolute commitment to Atmanirbharta. Project 17A ships are guided missile frigates, each of which is 149 meters long, with a displacement of approximately 6,670 tons and a speed of 28 knots. These vessels possess inherent capabilities to counter threats across air, surface and subsurface domains. It will undergo extensive trials before being handed over to the Indian Navy for commissioning into service. The newly christened Vindhyagiri stands as a symbol of India's determination to embrace its rich naval heritage while propelling itself towards a future of indigenous defense capabilities, Naval's officials shared.